This how to 1 minute will show you how to edit products in Shopify. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard and click on products. And here you will get all of your uploaded products. Now click on the product that you want to edit. And now here you can easily edit your product title, description. You can change your product image from here. You can change price from here. You can change your product shipping cost from here. So that's how we can edit product in Shopify. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.